everybody, I'm gonna make a Rubik's Cube into normal one. Okay, everybody, you will watch me. Everybody, I'm gonna fix it. And I'm following it. I did it, guys. First try. Second try. Okay, everybody, I'm gonna make it correct. I did it, guys. Okay, third. Okay, we're gonna go we're gonna do 3 more. Okay, so I'm on my third one. This time I mix it up. Good. If I get this correct, you have to like, subscribe, comment. You have to. If I complete it. I completed it. Now like, comment, subscribe. This is my 4th one. If I get this correct, you have to like, subscribe, comment. You have to. Okay, I got it correct. Now, you have to do it. What I exactly just said. Okay, guys, we're gonna break stuff. We're gonna go on the 5th one, but we're gonna break it big. Psych, just kidding. Actually, we're going to break it, okay? So, I'll let you know when I'm done with this. I will say the 6th one, and okay, so we're gonna go a little bit. Okay, so guys, we're gonna pause the video. Okay, guys, I just did the 5th one. Now I'm gonna do the hard part. If I get this correct, you will just have to like, subscribe, comment. If I get this right, you will have to. If I don't get this correct, you don't have to. Ask my dad for help. Which I'm not gonna be sewing him. Okay, guys? I'm sorry. I got this correct. Now you have to like, subscribe, comment. Okay, guys. Bye. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Bye.